Welcome to my channel. Flight Assistance Potential Rivals to the Boeing 777X. Airbus, A350 Stretch version. Airbus is planning a stretched version of its A350-1000 to directly compete with the Boeing 777X, particularly the 777-9. According to Airbus CEO Guillaume Faury, this longer variant aims to match the 777X's seat count and capacity while leveraging the A350's fuel-efficient design and carbon fiber construction. The A350's wider cabin and advanced aerodynamics position it as a strong contender, though it may offer a shorter range compared to the 777-9. This development signals Airbus's intent to challenge Boeing in the high-capacity, long-haul market. COMAC C939, an emerging threat at the 2025 Paris Air Show. China's COMAC announced plans for the C939, a high-capacity aircraft designed to rival the Boeing 777X and Airbus A350-1000. While COMAC C919 has seen limited global adoption, the C939 aims to incorporate next-generation technologies to enhance sustainability and efficiency. However, skepticism persists due to COMAC's lack of global market penetration and the need to prioritize the smaller C929, expected no earlier than 2035. The C939's launch timeline remains uncertain, making it a long-term rather than immediate rival. Boeing 777X program overviewed the 777X family, comprising the 777-9, 777-8, and 777-8 freighter, was launched in 2013 at the Dubai Air Show. The 777-9, Boeing's largest commercial aircraft, is set to enter service in 2026, followed by the 777-8 freighter in 2028. Despite delays from technical issues like engine thrust link cracks and an uncommanded pitch event in 2020, Boeing has secured 535 orders from 14 airlines, with major commitments from Emirates and Qatar Airways. The 777X's advanced aerodynamics and fuel efficiency aim to replace older models like the 747 and A380. Airbus's competitive edge. Airbus's A350 already enjoys a strong market presence, with many 777X customers, such as Emirates and Qatar Airways, also operating A350s. The A350's established reliability and fuel efficiency give Airbus an advantage, especially as Boeing faces certification delays. Airbus's planned A350 stretch could further erode the 777X's market share by offering comparable capacity, with a proven platform, potentially appealing to airlines wary of Boeing's recent challenges. COMAC's market challenges. Despite COMAC's ambitions with the C939, its global impact is limited by regulatory hurdles and a lack of trust from Western airlines. Airbus has acknowledged COMAC as a potential threat, but the Chinese manufacturer's smaller backlog and lack of game-changing innovations hinder its competitiveness. The C939 would need significant technological advancements to rival the 777X's fuel efficiency and range, which may delay its market entry well beyond the 777X's 2026 debut. Boeing's certification and production hurdles. The 777X program has faced significant setbacks, including heightened FAA scrutiny following the 737 MAX crashes and manufacturing defects like engine thrust link cracks discovered in 2024. Despite these challenges, Boeing has accumulated over 1,000 flight hours across 4 test aircraft, with certification expected by late 2025 or early 2026. These delays have given rivals like Airbus time to refine their offerings, intensifying competition. Market demand for high-capacity aircraft. The 777X targets the demand for high-capacity, ultra-long-range aircraft, capable of routes like Sydney to London or Singapore to New York. With a range of 8,745 nautical miles and seating for around 395 passengers, the 777-8 and 777-9 address a niche left by the retired Airbus A380 and Boeing 747. However, Airbus's stretched A350 and COMAC C939 aim to capture this market, challenging Boeing's dominance. Middle Eastern airlines influence. Middle Eastern carriers like Qatar Airways and Etihad Airways have placed significant orders for the 777X, with Qatar ordering 3,700 and 777-9s and Etihad ordering 25,777XS. These orders bolster Boeing's market position, but Emirates' delay in receiving 700 and 77X deliveries until 2027 due to production issues highlights the risk of airlines turning to Airbus's A350 as a more immediate solution. Technological innovations. The 777X features 11-foot folding wingtips, advanced G9X engines, and a redesigned interior resembling the 787, offering 10 to 15% better fuel efficiency than the 777-300. Airbus's A350 counters with over 50% carbon fiber construction, and COMAC C939 aims to introduce sustainable technologies. These advancements create a tight race for technological superiority in the long-haul market. Industry duopoly and future outlook. Commercial aviation market remains a duopoly between Boeing and Airbus, with COMAC as an emerging but distant player. While the 777X's delays have allowed Airbus to gain ground with the A350, Boeing's strong order book and technological advancements keep it competitive. The A350 Stretch and C939 represent future challenges, but their success depends on timely development and market acceptance, areas where Boeing currently holds an edge with its established customer base. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.